In today's video, I'm going to teach you the 3 fastest ways to create tasks in ClickUp. To get started, open your browser, head to Google, type ClickUp, and open the official ClickUp website so you're in your workspace. These tips will help you capture ideas the moment they pop into your head. First, let's use the keyboard with the universal search called Quick Switch. Press Ctrl and K on your keyboard. On Mac, press Command and K. A search bar pops up. Start typing, Create Task. You'll see Create Task appear in the list. Click it or hit Enter, and the new task window opens immediately. This method is fantastic because it works no matter where you are in ClickUp. List view, board view, even in a dock, so you never lose your place. If your search returns a lot of results, keep typing until the Create Task action floats to the top. Then select it. Next, here's the mouse-only route. Look to the top left panel and click Create. From the menu, choose Task. The same task window appears, ready for a title, assignee, due date, and any details you need. This is perfect if you prefer navigating the interface visually or you're already working near the toolbar. Pro tip: the Create menu is consistent across most pages, so you don't need to navigate back to a specific list first. Finally, the third way uses a one-key shortcut, but we need to enable keyboard shortcuts first. Click your workspace area to open the main menu, then choose Settings. Go to My Settings, open Preferences, and locate the Keyboard Shortcuts option. Toggle it on. Once that's enabled, you can create a task by simply pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Instantly, the new task modal opens. This is the fastest method for power users. One key, no mouse, no search. If it doesn't respond right away, give the page a quick refresh and try again. And remember, if another app or browser extension uses the same key while you're focused outside ClickUp, click back into ClickUp first, so the shortcut applies there. So that's it. Quick switch with Ctrl or Command K, and the Create Task action, the Create button in the top left, and the T key after enabling keyboard shortcuts under Preferences. Try each method and stick with the one that matches your workflow, or mix them depending on where you are in the app. Let's dive in and set up your first task together.